Say that again.
Simon's eating avocado.
Feeding it to Kelsey. How is it? Does it taste good? Does it make you want to have guacamole? Don't choke on it.
Here. Simon. Some avocado.
Mmm.
I'm not very good with my hands yet.
Oh, you sure are good at making a mess, though. Look at this.
You have to feed yourself.
It's very independent.
Not for Kelsey. That's for Simon. Oh.
Don't lose it. Those dogs will eat it up in a second.
Use that one tooth and chop it up. You showing Daddy your avocado?
You giving it to the cameraman? No, you have it. You have it.
Yummy, Simon, eat it. Simon. Mama. You try. Yeah, there you go. Use that tooth on it. Mmm. Oh, it's so good. Want some margaritas with your guacamole?